Hi all, I am Jayashree and welcome to my channel Craft with Jayashree. First of all, wish you all a very happy and healthy Navaratri and Durga Puja. This is my first video about glass painting. Glass painting is very easy and simple to do. So on this festive season, I will make this beautiful Ma Durga painting. So let's start it. Hope you will really enjoy it.
So let me tell about the materials first you require to do the glass painting. This is the main thing, glass colors. These are Fevicryl glass colors, water based. It comes in 10 shades and this is of 110 rupees. Now the second thing is the glass liners. These are also Fevicryl 3D outliners. For this painting I am using various colors. This you require to trace the design on the glass and some tissue papers for the corrections if there is any corrections you need to make. These are the earbuds. If there is any air bubbles in the colors, you can clear it with the help of the earbuds. And some toothpicks if there is any shading work. For this painting I am not doing any shading work. This is very easy technique. And a sellotape to secure the tracing design with the glass. This glitter approach I am using as the background. This is the tracing design. I have downloaded it from Pinterest. And last but not the least, this is the glass sheet. This is a A4 size glass. Now to start the glass painting, you need to clean the glass with the glass cleaner. I have already done it. Now I have to secure this tracing design to the glass with the help of a sellotape. Now I will secure it. Now I have secured it with the sellotape. Let's start with the gold color first. The line should be uniform throughout the painting. It may not be perfect, but it's okay. If you need to make any correction, you make it at that time only. Otherwise, if it is dried once, it will be very difficult to make the correction.
So the lining is completed already. You have to keep it for 24 hours so that it will dry completely. Now it's already 24 hours over and it is completely dried. So we'll start the coloring. So for the coloring, first of all let me tell you that to color the body of the deities, I have used this camel glass color in the shade skin tone. This is water-based color. If you don't have this color, just don't worry. You can mix this pink or yellow or orange with this transparent one and you will get the desired color. Also remember one thing, before start the coloring, never shake the bottle. It will create unnecessary bubbles in the color. Just shake it like this and then start the coloring. coloring part is completed now. Now you have to give again 24 hours to dry it completely. Now you see it's already 24 hours and the color is already dried up. Now this glass painting is ready to frame. Now I will frame it and I will show you. Now you see this glass painting is ready. I framed it. I placed a glitter paper under this glass as a background. And now it is ready. You can hang it on a wall or keep it on a tabletop, whatever you like. So while framing it, I kept the surface which I have painted. I made the painting on the reverse side. So that's why on the upper surface there is no painting or colors. That's why maintaining the painting and clipping it clean will be very easy. So here the painting is ready. Hope you all like the video. Please like, comment and share it. And also don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.